Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Guys, if you remember that in the last videos हम लोगों ने PHP का इंट्रोडक्शन लिया, उसके बाद हमने PHP के सारा environment सेटअप किया, हमने एडिटर को कॉन्फ़िगर किया एंड हमने वेब सर्वर को सेट किया ताकि हम अपने एक वेब सर्वर क्लाइंट कम्युनिकेशन कर सके और थ्रू द वेब सर्वर हम अपने पेजेस को रीड कर सके थ्रू द हाइपरटेक्स्ट। हमने अपने क्लाइंट को भेजना है और उसके बाद उसने हमें एज अ हाइपरटेक्स्ट रिटर्न करना है ताकि हमारे HTML पे वो व्यू आ सके। सो हमने वेब सर्विस देखे हैं, वैम्प, you guys can install any of those. I hope you guys did. After you guys did, अब हमने if you guys remember from the last videos, remember the sequence. पहले आपने PHP introduction video देखना है, उसके बाद you guys are going to watch the video for the PHP setting up the environment. Now project 2 and web development, इन दोनों को मैंने closely integrate कर दिया ताकि हम जल्दी से वो वाले contents cover कर ले जिससे आप लोग अपने project फाइनल ये project को जल्दी से उसको इंटीग्रेट कर सके इन चीज़ों के साथ। और आपके पास टाइम कम है तो आप you get more time to work on it, so you guys learn the concepts first. Okay, so previously we had this little program. It was a HTML page with just the first heading. So with PHP हमने output कराई है hi there. So what we're going to do now is build a PHP application. तो हमारी application को क्या करना है? हमारी application क्या होगी? To check if a student is passing or failing. So let's do that. Again, open your Sublime Text. First PHP app. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to declare variables for the marks of a student. So for that, the $, let's name it marks, is equal to 0 as an initial point, and so we're going to use the if statement. If marks are greater than 50, echo passed. And else, just the else, echo failed. So control save, and अभी हम इसको टेस्ट करने के लिए खुद मार्क्स दे रहे हैं, which is 60. So control save. Okay, let's refresh. It's in the test. Oh, okay. It's not going to work until I change the code in the directory of where my web server is. मेरा web server यहाँ पे है, inside test, replace this one. और बजाय कि मैं बार बार मैं इसको रिप्लेस करूं, I'm going to open this one, open folder, E, oh sorry, C, Bitnami, Apache 2, and htdocs. Okay, so inside test, here it is. So let me close. Okay, control save. Now let me refresh. Okay, why does it say failed? If marks are greater, okay, okay, it says failed because I didn't put the $sign here. So control save. Now refresh. Okay, now it's working. So पहली ऐप हमने कर ली. What's the second exercise? The second exercise is write a program called check odd even, which prints odd number if the int variable number is odd or even number otherwise. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Let's write some more PHP after the break. This will be PHP. If number modulus 2 is equal to 0, echo even, else echo odd. So this is the logic. Modulus means the remainder of a number dividing by this. So modulus means जो भी number होगा उसको divide करेंगे हम with this, and whatever the remainder is, it's going to check if it's equal to 0, and after it does, based on those, it's going to echo these. And I forgot to make a number variable which I'm going to equal as 20. Control save, and now it's even. So let's invert the values. 33 is odd and 40 is fail. So let's check if it's working vice versa as well. Okie dokie, which one is this? Index. And let me open it again, localhost, test, past in even. Okay, so I checked in my Chrome में ठीक आ रहा है. Sometimes it saves the cache, जिसकी वजह से value नहीं change होती, but okay, it changed now. So when I change the values, जब आपका ना change हो रहा हो तो make sure you guys open it in a new private window, तो वहाँ पे update हो जाती है आपकी. So our application is working fine, both of it. So next videos में we're going to use our form inputs. We're going to use our form inputs and then do something with PHP. and also we're going to learn the HTTP requests, the post and get methods. So stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.